Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, this is the second question from the review handout that I wanted to go over. This is a recursive sequence. I created a handout and I put it into your review binders. So if you aren't sure how to do this, once you watch this, after you watch this, if you're still not sure how to do this, I would strongly suggest that you go and grab the binder, because once you learn how to do a couple of these, they're not that difficult. So let me go through this. So the very first thing you see is it says, I have a sequence here defined recursively. They said that A1, that's the initial term, is a -3. And the actual recursive function is a sub n equals a -3 times a sub n minus 1 minus 2. And then they want to know what the fourth term is. Okay, so this is how you would do it. You are going to go to the graph, and if you press tab, you'll see it's in the function mode. We need to get it in the sequence mode. So the way we do that is we go menu, 3, and then we're going to go down to sequence and then sequence again. So it's going to be menu 311 or menu 371. Once you do that, all you're going to do is, they told us that the initial term a sub 1 is a -3. So that's going to go right in here. It's going to be a -3. And then we're just going to go up to the sequence, and we're going to make the sequence look like this a sub n part. Now, the NSPIRE doesn't have subscripts. So when you see a subscript in a recursive sequence, you are supposed to use a parenthesis. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this U1 to A, and then that N in the parentheses means that's a subscript. And then I'm just going to go to the right-hand side of the equation, and I'm going to put a -3 times, and then it's going to be A. And now to indicate this subscript, N minus 1, I'm just going to use parentheses. And then I'm going to go N minus 1, close the parentheses, and then I have a -2 outside of the parentheses. And that's it. So once I've done this, and for some reason my initial term disappeared. So let me go back down there. I'm going to tab down, and I'm just going to put in, since the first term is a -3, that's the initial term. So I'm going to put in a -3, and then I'm going to press enter. Now, you'll see that you're going to have dots. That's what you should have, because sequences only have integer inputs. But that doesn't matter. We want to know what the fourth term is. We can either do menu 51 and just put in the input 4, and it tells us that the output is 67, or you can use the table, Control T, go to the table, and if you go down to 4, when the input is 4, when the term is 4, the output is going to be 67. So the answer for this would be 67. That's it. Again, I created a handout that I put into your binders. If you need another copy, come let me know. But if you weren't able to follow this, go back, get your binder, get that handout, and try this. All right, I'm going to sign off. I'm going to try to keep these short. Let me go here. I need to stop this and post it.